I'm going to make a bracelet using these, I think they're reconstituted turquoise. That's a hard word to say. They've got a little pink on them. I don't know where that came from. I guess it was on them whenever I got them. It's been a while. And we're going to use 20 gauge dead soft nickel silver. So it's about 4 3/4 inches long. These are, oops, wrong way. Got something caught on them. Alright. I like my other ones, I can't find them either. They're probably with everything else I'm looking for. They're about 18 by 12 or 13. 18 by 13. I'll bend it like what I've been making my bracelets. Gonna do some pendants. I just gotta do some pendants. I just gotta get back in the groove of working with wire. So we've got our loop that looks like that. I'm gonna hold it. I'll hold it here. Get my end pressed down. I have to find my files. There we go. And we'll pick, I only want to save out to it the pretty ones for earrings. I'll save those two for earrings. There. I cut it a little bit long. We don't need that much. Probably need that much. So it's about 1 inch too long. Turn it sideways. Then bring it across. It'll look like that. There's our link. Now we'll make another one and connect it. Do it like that. We're going to hold it. If you get the nickel silver, it's harder to work with than the copper. It's stiffer. I mean, it can be done, it's stiffer. Now, if it was sterling silver, it would be soft as butter. For if it was dead soft. I guess certain metals, dead soft for them is a whole different thing than dead soft for anything else. Okay. Put it on. And then we're going to make the end like we did before. Over. And you've got your end made. Hold it. I've got a longer piece. Let's see if I can twist it. It's just this wire is harder than the copper. And it's supposed to be dead soft. So I'm saying that this metal dead soft for it's different than dead soft for others. And if you can't afford silver, this is a good alternative though, because it looks just like it. Or at least close enough to out there. We join the two legs. I'll be back whenever I get the rest of it made. Okay, I'm back. I've got all the bracelet made. Now we need to put this clasp on I found. I don't know if I'll leave it on there because it's sterling. But it'll work for right now. I made some jump rings. I've done it on another video. You just use your round nose pliers to wrap your wire around, and then if you can, saw it with a jewelry saw or a Dremel, one of the thin blades, because otherwise you have a flush cut on one side and with the flush cutters, and then you have a point on the other side. And this will work until I can get better ones. Twisted it, hook it, hook it, and then you twist it back. Make sure you get a good connection. I made the jump rings with the scrap I cut off. Alright, now I've got head pins. I don't know if the heads on them are too little. Sometimes some of these handmade, I didn't make them. Some of these head pins I've used before. The heads are so small that they go straight through the bead. But this one's thin. So it's got a head on it like a stick pin or one that you'd use to sew with. And we're just going to make the end like we did. And these are head pins I got from when AC Moore was in business. It's been a couple years. I think you can find them at Michael's or Hobby Lobby or Amazon. I'll try to start linking stuff in the description of where you can find stuff. So there's your one earring. These I got a long time ago. They were stainless steel. I think I bought them on eBay. No, they're surgical still. That means they're hypoallergenic, so if you have an allergy, you can wear the surgical still. And they're steel, so that might be why I keep popping off. Get another one. This one was a little bent. I hope it'll be alright. Go up through. Make sure it don't pull through. Turn. Just like when you were making the beads or the links. I might try to do some pendants. I just got to get back into the groove. There we go. Now we'll open up to the ring. I guess it's an eye. You turn it, so you want it to look like that. Hook it. Try to hold everything back and turn it. An earring and bracelet set. I really appreciate y'all watching my videos, and I hope you have a good day or a good week, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Alright, bye-bye.